Good morning, sir. I am Bambalan Merisa from Criminology Block 1G. And these are the modules that I choose for this activity. The first is the Module 1. In this module discusses about the biography of Carlos Bulusan from his youth to Binaronan, Pangasinan to his journey in America as a migrant. It shows here the hardship he suffered, such as discrimination, exploitation, and violence caused by an unequal social system. Despite everything, he used his experience to write books that shed lights on the social issues. In this module, he also said the term, "The poor man does not write books. He is too busy looking for something to fill his stomach. And when it comes to it, his mind is too weak, his recollection is too short, his imagination is too blurred." Ang sinasabi dito ay, kapag ikaw ay mahirap, mas inuuna mong maghanap ng makakain kaysa sa pag-aaral. At ang natutunan ko dito po sa module na to ay hindi hadlang ang kahirapan sa iyong mga pangarap. At mahalaga rin ang papel ng edukasyon sa iyong buhay dahil ito ang susi sa iyong mga pangarap. Kailangan mo lang rin itong sabayan ng sipag at tiyaga. Numako naman tayo sa pangalawang module na aking napili, America is in the Heart. In this module, America is in the Heart, Carlos Bulusan presents the complex reality of Filipino migrants in America in the 1930s. In this part, his constant struggle against discrimination, poverty, and injustice described his experience as a worker, often exploited and treated as an inferior, mirrored the flight of many Filipino migrants. Sinabi rin dito ni Carlos Bulusan na, "Please, God, don't change me in America." Natatakot siya sa kung anong gawin niya sa kanyang sarili at sa iba because it was the beast, it was the monster, the murderer of love and kindness that would raise its dark head to defy all was good and beautiful in life. At ang module na panghuli kong napili ay Module 13, Freedom from Want. In this module taught me about pursuit of freedom from want is shared responsibility. As Bulusan eloquently pleads, it's achieving this freedom requires us to confront social injustices and work together to create a world where everyone can thrive. Freedom. Freedom from what is not just about individual survival but about ensuring that everyone, regardless of background or status, has access to a life of dignity. And that's the module that I chose during the 3 periods in this first sem. That I was able to learn a lesson that will help myself to grow. Again, I am Bambalan Merisa from Criminology Block 1G. Thank you for watching.